Hi, welcome to this course. This course is about Learn JavaScript Essentials and Build project. You have come to the right course for learning JavaScript programming. My name is Irfan Dayan. I am an experienced JavaScript programmer with 7 years of experience. I would be your instructor throughout this entire course. In this course, you will learn JavaScript coding standards with best practices. I will start teaching you from very basic of JavaScript coding and will take you to the advanced level. In getting starting section, I will give you an introduction to JavaScript language and I will start teaching you how to write a very basic JavaScript program. In this section, I will also introduce web developer tools with console window. In variables section, you will learn about variables, rules for declaring variables in JavaScript language, and I will teach you how you can use arithmetic and assignment operators with variables. In control structure section, I will teach you about control structures in JavaScript language, which are if-else statements, loops, switch statement, including break and continue statements. In this section, you will also learn about comparison and logical operators. And I will teach you how you can use comparison and logical operators with control structures. Next, I will introduce you JavaScript functions. In this section, you will learn about JavaScript functions, anonymous functions, self-executing anonymous functions, function scope, and nested function. After that, I will teach you about different data types and objects in JavaScript language. You will learn about objects, arrays, string, number, boolean, null, and undefined data types. I will also teach you a basic of regular expressions in this section. I will be working and teaching you browser object model in JavaScript language. You will learn about what browser object model is and all of its objects. In this section, you will also learn about very important object in JavaScript, which is window object. Then I'll start teaching you how to work with document object model. You will learn about document object. I will show you how to work with DOM objects to create dynamic web pages. After that, you will learn about JavaScript events. I will teach you different methods of adding and removing event handlers in JavaScript. I will also teach you how to write cross-browser event handling code. You will also learn about errors handling and strict mode in JavaScript language. Once you learn all of these JavaScript concepts, then I will show you how to build an interactive overlay menu project with very basic of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I will show you how you can use JavaScript language to make interactive web pages. It will be a very basic web project. You will learn how to build modern looking overlay menu navigation with pure JavaScript coding. If you know very basic of HTML and CSS, that would be great. Otherwise, you don't need to worry. I will be also teaching and explaining basic of HTML and CSS wherever I need them. If you need any help during this course, please do ask and post your question in question and answer dashboard, and I would be glad to help you. I have made every effort to ensure that there are no errors in this course. However, no one is perfect and mistakes do occur. If you find an error in this course, I would be very grateful for your feedback. I am very thankful and excited for you for joining me on this journey. Let us start straight this journey together.